Still using animal skins? Out! Pineapple fibers are made for clothes. Beauty turned over. Pineapple leaf fiber. It is an extra fine fiber extracted from pineapple leaves. Length from 0 millimeters to 100 millimeters. The diameter is 1/4 of silk. Characterized by smooth and soft. Low strength. Moisture absorption, breathability, smooth and thick. Suitable for high-end clothing and bedding. Turn waste into treasure. The future of environmental protection is promising. How do pineapple leaves extract pineapple fiber? This requires the use of professional equipment from Vita Machinery. First of all, you need to use our hemp scraping machine to extract the fiber. Second step, make fiber brushing machine cleaner with a fiber remover. Upgrade fiber grade. The third step is to use the fiber dewatering and cleaning machine. Shorten drying time and further remove impurities. Harvest the material directly at the end of the machine. Pineapple leaves come from the moist and warming power of the earth, guarding the animals that have never been met. We believe that our machines will be your right-hand man in your production work, bring you more benefits and convenience.